In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Shopify store. A favicon is a small but essential part of your online presence, appearing as an icon next to your store's name in the browser tab. It's a powerful way to brand your store and ensure a polished, professional appearance that stands out. Now, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, we're going to start by selecting or creating your favicon image. The ideal size for a Shopify favicon is 32 pixels by 32 pixels, saved in either PNG or ISO format. If you're designing your favicon from scratch, keep it simple and recognizable, as detail might get lost in such a small space. You can use tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator for this job. Once you have your favicon ready, make sure it's saved in an accessible location on your computer. Next, navigate to your Shopify admin panel. You can do this by logging into your Shopify account at your store's website address and appending admin to the URL. Enter your login credentials if prompted, and you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now, on your Shopify admin page, look on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This will open a new section where you can see different options related to your store's appearance. Under Online Store, you'll see a tab marked Themes. Go ahead and select that tab. On the Themes page, you'll notice your current theme displayed at the top. To customize it, click on the Customize button associated with it. This action opens the theme editor. While in the theme editor, direct your attention to the settings menu on the left side. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Favicon. Selecting this option will open a new panel specifically for favicon uploads. Now comes the moment we've been preparing for. Click the Select Image button, and a pop-up window will appear. In this window, choose Upload Image to bring up your computer's file explorer. Locate your favicon file, select it, and then click Open to upload it to Shopify. After you've uploaded the image, ensure it's the one you want to use as your favicon by previewing it in that same settings panel. Once you're satisfied with the selection, click Save to finalize the changes. You'll usually find the Save button in the upper right corner of the theme editor. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Shopify store. To make sure it appears as intended, open a new browser tab and navigate to your shop's front end. You'll see your new favicon in the browser tab, representing your brand wherever someone bookmarks or visits your store. By following these steps, you not only add a favicon to your Shopify store but also take a small yet significant step toward enhancing your brand's credibility and visual identity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!